nature, the wildlife, the animals, the most beautiful of all God's creations. Sadly, I can only give you one last love letter from me in the name of all humans. May we be forgiven. I'm sorry for all that happened, for that because of us you disappear. I cannot even imagine how it feels like to be wild and free the next day, captive. To have turned into a prison your very own garden, to have such an important mission, yet being kept starving. No, I cannot even imagine how God gave all of you to us with no second thoughts. The mountains, the rainforests, the seas. How we took it all and left you with nothing. Nothing but heartbreaks, chaos, and distractions, shamelessly by all those who are in power. I cannot even imagine. That's what we, Day and I, gave to you, to the stunning queen of beauty. I refuse to believe this was your destiny. I refuse to believe it because it's too heartbreaking. Instead of thanking you daily for existing in our lives, for providing all that's vital, the food, air, and light, we, Day and I, carelessly passed by. I'm truly ashamed of us, the humankind, for not knowing better at the time, for being so blind, so lost in our minds, leaving the damage and destruction behind, for each day being more cruel, less kind, for that our vibe with yours did not rhyme. There's one more thing I need to say. I'm sorry that I can't help enough this time. I can only pray that you'll be restored one day. I don't know how much longer you'll survive. I'm truly sorry. I now have to say goodbye. The kindest regards, the mankind, to the love of my life. P.S. I wished we knew how to show how much we loved you. I wish we knew how to take off earlier our blindfold. I love you.